shucks. The fellas were right. This beat is weak as hell. Instead of slapping, it sounds like somebody in here flicking nipples. Oh, whatever will I do?
Excuse me, y'all. It's a real player coming through.
Wow, Curtis King, how did you get into my studio?
I mean, well, it sounds like that little nipple drum thing you working on is probably the reason I got summoned to your studio.
Gee golly, I could really use your help, Curtis King. Are you down to collab?
No.
Oh.
But I got something better. How does 25 royalty-free drum breaks by Curtis King sound to you?
That sounds like Nipple Drum Relief. Yeah.
Nipple Drum Relief is 25 beefy drum breaks made specifically for hip-hop, experimental trap, lo-fi, and more. Each sound is 100% original, high-quality waves, and 100% royalty-free. Side effects may include excessive compliments on your slaps. Nipple Drum Relief. Get it at slapexperts.com.